Hello, I'm Johnny Cash. Good evening. Thank you. In all the years that I've been in country music, I don't remember a time when so many new, young performers are enjoying so much popularity and success. And I think that's great, because it's what keeps country fresh and exciting. This year, all 5 albums nominated for Album of the Year were made by bright, attractive, and very talented young people, and I admire every one of them. The nominees for Album of the Year are
Don't Rock the Jukebox.
Don't Rock the Jukebox, Alan Jackson.
My heart ain't ready for the road, 'cause I got friends in
No Fences, Garth Brooks.
the round and the big Jack